Hey everyone! Today we're going to the heart of Europe, to a city that's been a favorite for artists and dreamers for ages. Prague. This city is a living, breathing canvas where every corner tells a story and every street is a work of art. From its stunning architecture to its vibrant culture, Prague is a place that captures the imagination and inspires creativity. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration, a history buff eager to explore the past, or simply a traveler in search of beauty, Prague has something for everyone. If you're new here, click that subscribe button to join our adventures around the world. We travel far and wide to bring you the best experiences, tips, and hidden gems from every corner of the globe. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos, and you'll never miss out on the excitement. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Prague has it all: beautiful buildings, a fascinating history, yummy food, and a magical feeling. The city's historic buildings are like pages from a storybook, each one with its own unique tale to tell. And the food? Oh, the food! From hearty Czech dishes to delightful pastries, every bite is a taste of tradition and love. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a magical wonderland, with twinkling lights and a warm, inviting atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. Sitting on the Vltava River, Prague is a treat for your eyes and your soul. The river winds its way through the city, offering breathtaking views of iconic landmarks like the Charles Bridge and Prague Castle. Whether you're taking a leisurely boat ride or simply strolling along the riverbank, the Vltava provides a serene backdrop to your adventures. The panoramic views are nothing short of spectacular, and they create a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find anywhere else. Get ready to fall in love. Prague has a way of capturing your heart and soul, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it's the awe-inspiring architecture, the rich history, or the romantic ambiance, there's something about this city that makes you feel like you're in a fairy tale. As you explore its charming streets and discover its hidden treasures, you'll find yourself falling more and more in love with Prague. So grab your walking shoes, your sense of adventure, and let's explore. There's so much to see and do in Prague, and the best way to experience it all is on foot. From the bustling squares to the quiet alleyways, every step you take will lead you to something new and exciting. So lace up those shoes, bring your curiosity, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Let's go! Prague is often called the City of 100 Spires, and it's easy to see why. Everywhere you look, there are towers, colorful buildings, and old churches reaching for the sky. Walking on the cobblestone streets feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The city mixes old and new, grand and cozy. It's a place where you can wander for hours, finding hidden courtyards, cute cafes, and amazing views. Get ready to be enchanted by Prague's timeless beauty. Prague is a city full of history. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this enchanting city has been a cultural and political hub for centuries. Its rich tapestry of stories is woven into the very fabric of its streets and buildings. Every stone tells a story. As you walk along the ancient cobblestone streets, you can almost hear the whispers of the past. These streets have witnessed countless events, from royal processions to revolutionary uprisings. Walking across the Charles Bridge is like traveling back in time. This iconic bridge, with its majestic statues and stunning views, has been a silent observer of history since the 14th century. Imagine the merchants, artists, and kings who have crossed its path. This famous bridge, decorated with statues of saints, has connected the two sides of the Vltava River since the 1300s. Each statue has its own story, adding to the bridge's mystique and allure. Don't miss Prague Castle, a huge complex that's been the center of power for a long time. This sprawling fortress has been home to kings, emperors, and presidents. Its walls have seen the rise and fall of empires. Explore the magnificent St. Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Its towering spires and intricate stained glass windows are a testament to the skill and artistry of its builders. Inside, you'll find the tombs of Bohemian kings and the stunning St. Wenceslas Chapel. Wander through the Golden Lane with its charming little houses, each one a different color. This quaint street was once home to the castle's goldsmiths and later, famous writers like Franz Kafka. Today, it's a delightful place to explore and imagine life in a bygone era, and enjoy breathtaking views of the city from the castle. From this vantage point, you can see the red rooftops, winding streets, and the Vltava River snaking through the city. It's a view that has inspired countless artists and poets. And don't forget the astronomical clock in the Old Town Square, a marvel of medieval engineering. This clock doesn't just tell the time, it also shows the position of the sun and moon, and even the zodiac signs. It's a true wonder of the Middle Ages. An amazing clock from the Middle Ages that's been ticking for over 600 years. Every hour, crowds gather to watch the clock's intricate mechanism come to life, with its moving figures and chimes. It's a magical experience that connects us to the past. Prague isn't just beautiful to look at, it's also delicious. Try some traditional Czech food like hearty goulash, savory dumplings, and trdelník, a sweet pastry cooked over fire. Prague loves coffee, with many charming cafes hidden in its streets. Take a break from sightseeing to relax in a cozy cafe, sip on strong Czech coffee, and enjoy a slice of honey cake. Don't forget to try local beers. The Czech Republic is famous for its beer, so try a Pilsner Urquell or Budvar. While the famous sights are amazing, don't be afraid to explore and discover Prague's hidden gems. Explore Malá Strana, with its pretty streets and colorful buildings. Discover the world of Franz Kafka, the famous Czech writer, by visiting his old home. Visit the Kafka Museum. For a unique view of the city, take a relaxing boat trip along the Vltava River. And in the evening, watch a show at the Blacklight Theater, a unique Czech art form with mime, dance, and amazing visual effects. As the sun sets, Prague becomes even more magical. The city lights twinkle, casting a warm glow on the old buildings and streets. Enjoy a romantic walk along the Charles Bridge, now lit by streetlights. Experience the city's nightlife with a classical music concert in one of Prague's historic churches. Or enjoy a delicious meal at a restaurant with beautiful views of Prague's illuminated skyline. From traditional Czech pubs to trendy bars and clubs, Prague has something for everyone at night. Did you know that Prague has the world's oldest astronomical clock that still works? The Prague astronomical clock, also known as the horloge, was first installed in 1410, making it over 600 years old. This medieval clock is not just a timepiece, it also shows the position of celestial bodies and has an animated hourly show featuring the 12 apostles. It's a marvel of medieval engineering and a must-see for any visitor to the city. Or that the city has one of the largest ancient castles in the world. Prague Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, dates back to the 9th century and covers an area of almost 70,000 square meters. It's not just a single building, but a complex of palaces, churches, and gardens. The castle has been the seat of Czech kings, emperors, and presidents for over 1,000 years. Walking through its grounds, you can feel the weight of history and the layers of architectural styles from Romanesque to Gothic and Baroque. It's also said that Pilsner beer was invented right here in Prague. The Czech Republic is famous for its beer, and Pilsner is one of the most popular types. The first Pilsner was brewed in the city of Plzeň, just a short drive from Prague, in 1842. Today, you can enjoy a glass of this golden lager in one of the many traditional pubs around the city. Beer is an integral part of Czech culture, and Prague offers some of the best brews you'll ever taste. The city has inspired many artists, writers, and musicians, from Mozart to Milan Kundera. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart had a special connection with Prague. His opera Don Giovanni premiered here in 1787. The city also celebrates its literary heritage with statues and museums dedicated to Franz Kafka, one of the most influential writers of the 20th century. Street performers and artists continue to add to the city's vibrant cultural scene, making it a hub for creativity and inspiration. And if you like astronomy, you'll be interested to know that the Czech Republic was once home to the famous astronomer Tycho Brahe. Tycho Brahe was a Danish nobleman who made significant contributions to astronomy in the late 16th century. He spent the last years of his life in Prague, working at the court of Emperor Rudolf II. His observations laid the groundwork for future astronomers, including Johannes Kepler, who formulated the laws of planetary motion. You can visit the observatories and museums in Prague to learn more about his life and work. These are just a few fun facts about this captivating city. Prague is a place where history and modernity coexist, offering a unique blend of old-world charm and contemporary culture. Whether you're exploring its ancient castles, enjoying a pint of Pilsner, or soaking in the artistic atmosphere, Prague has something for everyone. So the next time you find yourself in this beautiful city, take a moment to appreciate its rich history and vibrant present. There's always something new to discover in Prague. As we say goodbye to this enchanting city, I hope you've enjoyed our quick tour of Prague. From its fairy tale architecture and rich history to its delicious food and vibrant culture, Prague has something for everyone. Whether you're walking across the Charles Bridge, exploring Prague Castle, or relaxing in a charming cafe, Prague will stay with you. So come and discover the magic of Prague for yourself. And if you enjoyed this virtual trip to Prague, subscribe to my channel for more travel videos and adventures from around the world. Until next time, happy travels!